Did you know you can multiply by 125 in just a few seconds without using a calculator? And the best part is, the logic behind it is actually very simple. Let's work through an example. Suppose we want to calculate 24 times 125. First, divide 24 by 8. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Now multiply the result by 1000. In other words, simply add 3 zeros to the end. That gives us 3000. But why does this work? Because 125 is actually 1/8 of 1000. So multiplying a number by 125 is the same as dividing it by 8 and then multiplying it by 1000. And multiplying by 1000 is simply a matter of adding 3 zeros to the end. Let's reinforce the idea with another example. What is 56 times 125? First, divide 56 by 8. That gives us 7. Now multiply it by 1000, or simply add 3 zeros to the end. The answer is 7000. Don't let the multiplication by 1000 confuse you. I'm only explaining it this way to show why the shortcut works. Once you understand the logic, all you need to do is divide the number by 8 and add 3 zeros to the end. This shortcut works especially well with numbers that are divisible by 8. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video to support our channel.